everyone, in this section we'll learn the details of graphs of quadratic equations, which are the U-shaped graphs called parabolas. We already know two ways to create those graphs. Use a graphing calculator or plot points by hand. That's what I've done to go ahead and create the graph of y equals x squared, the most basic parabola graph. In this lesson, we'll take a close look at this graph, learn some vocab words, and that will help us build a new way to graph in future lessons. One important vocab word is vertex. The vertex is the turning point of the U-shaped graph. In this case, my vertex has ordered pair 0, 0. Remember, the ordered pair notation uses parentheses and a comma and has the format x, comma, y. As I move away from the vertex, notice how quickly the points on the graph rise. As I move right by 1, the points on the graph also rise by 1. If I start at the vertex and move right by 2, the point on the graph rises by 4. If I start back at the vertex and move right by 3, the point on the graph rises by 9. In a future example, we'll see how those rises can change for different equations. For this most basic parabola, y equals x squared, the first three rises are 1, 4, and 9. Notice that the same happens on the left side of the vertex. Rises of 1, 4, and 9 again. The parabola is symmetric, meaning the same on both sides. We can imagine folding the parabola in half along this dashed line, and it would be symmetric on either side of that fold. The vocab word for this dashed line is axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry will always go through the vertex, and it's always a vertical line. The equation of this axis of symmetry is x equals 0. X equals means that it's a vertical line, and 0 means that the vertex has x coordinate of 0. Let's look at a few examples to practice the vocab words vertex and axis of symmetry. Here, the vertex is 2, 3. The axis of symmetry has equation x equals 2. Here the vertex is 2, 3. The axis of symmetry has equation x equals 2, and this parabola opens downward. Here the vertex is negative 3, 4. The axis of symmetry has equation x equals negative 3, and the parabola opens upward.